In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reuse a card.so template. First, open your browser, head to card.so, and log into your account. This takes you to your dashboard where you'll manage everything. From here, click New Site. That opens Card's template library. This is where the reusing magic happens. You can start from a blank canvas, but today we're focusing on picking an existing template so you can adapt it quickly. On the template web page, you'll see a starting point option and a row of categories that help narrow things down. If you're not sure what you need yet, start by exploring categories to see how layouts differ and which structure that fits your goal. Click on Profile to browse templates designed for personal bios and simple one-page introductions. These are perfect for showcasing who you are, what you do, and where people can find you online. Think of it as a digital business card, minimal, clean, and focused on you. Next, click on Landing. These templates are built for products, apps, services, or events. They're ideal if you need to explain what something is, highlight benefits, and guide visitors toward a clear action like signing up or downloading. Then, click on Form. Here, every layout centers around a form. Use these when your priority is collecting emails, feedback, or inquiries. Some templates can even handle payments if you're on a higher tier plan, but even on basic plans, they're great for growing a list or gathering responses. Click on Portfolio to see options that showcase visual work. These templates emphasize images and galleries, making them a strong choice for artists, designers, and photographers who want a clean, scrollable showcase. Finally, click on Sectioned. These are single-page designs broken into distinct sections, giving you the feel of multiple pages without the complexity. They're great when you have more information to organize, but still want the simplicity and speed of a one-page site. Once you've found a template that matches your purpose, click the select icon. Card will load the template into the editor so you can start building your website right away. Replace placeholder text with your own copy, swap in your images or logos, and adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. Keep what already works, structure, spacing, and layout, and focus on tailoring content so it feels like yours. As you edit, think about your main call to action and make it clear and easy to find. That's it. You've successfully reused a card.so template and you're ready to customize it into a polished, professional site.